Yeah, so we are conducting a agent building internal workshop at Nagent today. The objective of the workshop is all the team members should actually build agents on the platform, overcome the inertia or the initial friction of building agents. Apart from overcoming that friction, we want that all users should experiment on the platform and share the feedback on bugs or any product improvements to the product and engineering. Yeah, so that's the way the workshop was planned. And for my particular use case that I'm working, so I wanted to automate some aspects of financial reporting. So I am building an agent for invoice processing. What it will do is, say I choose some designated emails. So whenever the designated emails get a new mail in the inbox, which has an attachment and details on the invoice, so the agent should be auto triggered on getting that email, extract that information from the relevant invoice PDFs and store it in an Excel format. Similarly, if I upload a new or a separate invoice in a designated folder, similar process should be followed for that step as well. And the extracted information from both the sources should be combined in a single Excel file. So yeah, tool integration is causing some headache to me, but yeah, we'll try to solve it.
So, hi, I created an agent called Call Record Analysis Agent. This is a fully autonomous agent that can analyze the customer calls once the recordings are available in the system. And these calls gets analyzed for who is the customer and what was this call about, what was the key actionable. Is there a cross-selling, upselling objective? If it's a customer call, is it a serious problem? What action it needs to take? So all these inputs is what this agent will generate, and then it basically writes all these insights into a dashboard, and hence it autonomously, sort of analyzes the call. So that's the agent that I have built.
Hey, hi. So today is part of the agent building hackathon. So I was trying to do it very simple, but I feel that will be effective. Considering high volume any e-commerce or D2C business where you get a lot of user query. Basically, they are looking for product, and based on the availability and the demand, you could actually exploit on the sales process. So the idea is basically complete end-to-end. So you can start from the email trigger, and basically the agent will analyze the content, and if it finds specific requirement for product information, it will look for interview database. Based on the availability, it will customize the mail, and then it will send back to the customer mentioning about the availability price, and if it is not available, when it will be available, so that user can take the smart decision. Thank you.
Okay, so as part of this agent building hackathon, where we wanted everyone in the team to build agents using our platform basically. So what I'm building is I'm building a couple of agents. The first agent is basically a retirement plan analysis agent. So based on your current income, your expenses, your age and other factors, so this will generate a retirement plan for you. The currency can be for any country, whether it's India or US or anything, and based on that, it will not only generate a retirement plan, it will also send you an email. So that's my first agent. And the second agent, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to generate teaser videos for product launches. Basically, it's a 3-stage agent where basically the first stage will be to get the requirement for the product launch. The second will be second agent is basically doing an analysis to find out what is the best script, the target audience, etc. And the third step is to generate a teaser video. So those are the two agents that I have built as part of this hackathon. Thank you.
That's great.